Hello friends, if you also check views in the YouTube Studio app, look at your subscribers and go to the Earn tab to check whether you have met the monetization criteria or not, then you should immediately delete the YouTube Studio app. Because what's happening is that your motivation is going down. For example, when you see low views or 0 views, your mind tells you to stop making videos. Today, I'm going to talk to you about using the YouTube Studio app. I will show you the professional way to use it. I am refreshing in real time to show you how many views we are getting on this channel in the last 48 hours. I am showing you by refreshing it. Here the views are changing, so you can also see the shorts views here. These are being completely refreshed. See, from 28,500 they have become 28,600. Now I will show you the method that professional people use to operate the YouTube Studio app. First, we will close the YouTube Studio app, and now I will tell you how to use YouTube Studio the right way. First, you need to open your Chrome browser, and there you have to type studio.youtube.com. As soon as you search this, your YouTube channel Studio will open. When our YouTube Studio opens, you'll see a Gemini icon at the very top. You have to click on it. Its name is Ask Studio. Now, with this feature, you can ask any questions you have here. Whatever doubts or questions you have, you can ask all of them here. For example, look here. It's giving me all the options. Like, we can even get our comments summarized through this. You can also find new video ideas. So, for example, I wrote here, suggest new video ideas. Now, what happens is, it has taken our request. Now, after taking the request, it has started working on the ideas that could work best for our YouTube channel based on these ideas. In just a short while, it will tell us all the ideas related to our audience, like how to grow a YouTube channel in finance. After that, here it is telling us how to edit cinematic AI videos. After that, it is telling us whether YouTube is going to monetize AI content or not. So basically, whatever our audience is, whatever you people are, like the kind of videos you want to watch, all those details are being shared here. Another great thing about this is that if you click on the plus icon, you can also ask about your old videos that aren't getting views. For example, if I ask about this particular video of ours, why are the views low? See, you don't need to write in English. You can easily message it in your own Hindi, our mother tongue. Now look, I am sending this message. Why did we get fewer views? In a little while, it will analyze this video. Like, what is the CTR of this video? How many people are clicking on it? Who is searching for it? All those details. And based on that, it will tell us why this video got fewer views compared to our other videos. So now we will know the reason. Now, it's not just that we open the YouTube Studio app and see that views are low, subscribers are low, and then start worrying. Now we have someone who will tell us everything about our YouTube channel. It's saying that, yes, this isn't a flop video. This video actually has good views. Now it's saying your CTR is 7.3 and your average duration is 16%, which is usually higher on your channel. But for this video, it's lower. So what is it saying is the problem for the low views? At the very beginning, the first 14 seconds, 86% of viewers dropped to 66%. That means the start of our video wasn't good. The pacing was off, and the information we shared in the video was delivered too slowly. Now we can ask all these things from our Ask Studio, and we can even get ideas for our videos from it. Another thing, if you want to ask it something else, you can, right? You can add any video here. Go to the plus icon, add any video. Even if it's a video you haven't uploaded yet, or one that's unlisted or private. You can get SEO done for that video as well. You can ask it to do SEO for this video or to create a thumbnail for this video right here. It will even generate a thumbnail for you right within this chat. So now you should start using this feature. If you have an Android phone and you want to set your YouTube Studio app's language to Hindi, first, you need to go to your settings. When you click on settings, you'll see all these options. At the very bottom, you'll see a system option as shown here. Click on system, then click on language. The system language will appear in English. After that, click on add, and here we'll choose Hindi. As soon as we select Hindi, drag it to the top and change it. Now, in just a moment, the language of our entire phone will be set to Hindi. See, everything is now in Hindi. Now, I'll show you the YouTube Studio app. Let me show you. See, as soon as I open the YouTube Studio app, now look, you can see the channel statistics here, how many views we're getting, how many days it's been. Now, all the information about our content, all of our analytics, everything is here. You'll be able to see everything completely in Hindi. What's the special information? What's the content? Who are the viewers? What are the trends? Now the section where you earn, where we make earnings, the YouTube part. Joining the partner program, you'll also be able to see all of this completely in Hindi. And let me tell you one more thing about this. There's a trick. When you set the language to English, the ideas that YouTube suggests to us are different. When we switch the language to Hindi, it shows different ideas. I'll actually demonstrate this experiment for you. First, I'll set the language to English and show you what YouTube suggests, and then when I switch it to Hindi, you'll see that YouTube suggests completely different ideas in both cases. Friends, whenever we check analytics in our YouTube Studio app, it tells us everything in detail, like how many views the channel is getting. Now, there's a particular section here where you can find some really amazing ideas that your audience will also be interested in. You need to click on trends, and here you'll see it says explore different topics, most searched queries. Now, notice that since I've set the language to Hindi here, the ideas being suggested are things like how to create a YouTube channel, how to earn money from YouTube, how to speed up YouTube short videos. So, whatever videos our audience is watching, all those videos are being shown to us here. What I'm trying to explain to you is this. Look, in trends, the most searched queries are being shown here. Now let me show you by changing the language once, and you'll see that as soon as I change the language, the queries here will also change. Friends, look, I'll set our language to English for a moment. See, I dragged it and set it to English. Now let me open the YouTube Studio app and show you, and now you'll see that, brother, all the ideas that YouTube was suggesting to us in the YouTube Studio app will completely change here. I am refreshing it. So friends, we need to close our YouTube Story app and then open our YouTube Studio app again. As soon as we open the YouTube Studio app, our language has switched to English. Now I'll go to Manual Tasks and then to Analytics. What do we need to check there? We need to look at the Trends section. Now when I clicked on the Trends section, look at what it's showing under top searches. It's still our channel. Yes, it's still the one with 10 locked, but here all the searches are showing up differently. The recent videos are the same, but the topics have changed. So, if you make videos in Hindi and your audience watches Hindi videos, then set the language to Hindi and check what the top searches are. According to that, you'll get some really great ideas. So one thing is that by going to the trends section, we can see information about our videos and our channel and what are the different places where we can make the best use of our YouTube Studio and gain views from there. Now let me tell you about your audience tab. From there, you can also see at what time your audience is most active on your videos. Now, what a lot of people will notice is that, right? There's no data showing up here. If you're not seeing any data, then by looking at this data, you can get an idea that in India, the audience is most active from 6 o'clock p.m. to 9 o'clock p.m. That is, from 6 in the evening to 9 at night. Most of the Indian audience uses YouTube. Also, on certain days like Sunday and Saturday, the Indian audience is active from 12 o'clock p.m. to 3 o'clock p.m. as well. Maybe people sleep in late in the morning, so they start using their phones comfortably around 12 o'clock p.m. And they use their phones until around 2:03 p.m. For example, this video that we uploaded for you all is also around 2 o'clock p.m. and you can see its performance for yourself. After that, we checked in the audience section. Since the time isn't shown there, I have told you the timing. Along with this, in the audience tab, it also shows which videos our audience is watching. If you scroll down, it also shows which YouTube channels our audience is watching. After that, we need to go to the content section. Now, when you go to the content section, you have to look at and understand the analytics at the level of each of your videos, how each of your videos is performing. And if your YouTube channel is new, how can you get an idea about your audience from that? Now, let's say we open this particular video, Don't Quit YouTube Now. In this, we made a somewhat motivational video, and I'll show you its analytics. Look here. But if you look at its analytics, you can see here that it got 31,000 views, a 6.6% CTR, and an average duration of around 3.5 minutes. Now, what I look at, let me tell you, I also check its earnings. You can see that this video earned us 1,700 rupees. Now, what you need to do is, for any video you upload on YouTube, go to its reach section. As soon as you go to reach, here, you need to check what your CTR is. If your CTR is low, then brother, change your thumbnail. If you make long videos, if you make short videos, I'll tell you about that in a little while. After that, you need to go to reach, scroll down here, and look at the YouTube search terms. What are people searching for to find the video you made? You need to pay close attention to these keywords. Even if your channel is small, you might still find something useful here. After 2 or 3 days, whatever keywords you see, if your channel is small, you need to understand that if your video is being watched on these keywords, it means there is less competition on them. And you should make your upcoming videos around these keywords as well. After that, you'll see an option here, content suggesting this video. From this, you'll see 2 or 3 videos that have brought you views. Your video must have appeared in people's suggestions. So what you need to understand from here is that, look, your audience is watching these 4 videos, which means what are they interested in? You need to check all these things in every one of your videos, check the YouTube search data, check the content suggesting this video data, and try to understand which videos your video is appearing as a suggestion for. This will help you figure out what your audience actually wants to watch. So even if you're not sure about your niche or which topic to make videos on, you can understand very well from here which ones you should focus on. You should make videos on those topics. Now look, here we have a short video. Let me show you the performance of this short video. Here, we explained how to complete 4,000 hours, and if you look at this short video, it has received 350,000 views. Now, if I show you the analytics of this video, if you make short videos, what analytics you need to look at, I'll explain that to you. Look, all these things in shorts are different. You don't really need to pay much attention to them. First, we'll go to reach. The main work you have is focused on just two sections. Reach will go above reach to engagement, and here you need to see where people found your video from. So now I know that, bro, most people, 38%, found it through YouTube search. After that, they found it through the browse feature, and if we look at the lowest among these three, it's shorts feed, which is the lowest. So now we don't need to target the shorts feed at all. This means now I'll have to put a thumbnail on each of my short videos or set a frame that viewers see first so that in YouTube search and the browse feature, so that we start getting more views. After that, here too, we'll go and check if someone searched on YouTube, what did people search to find our video? So now we know that as well. Now you have to go to engagement. In engagement, what will we look at? We'll see how many people watched our video. Now there's one thing here called swipe away, meaning your video appeared, but people just swiped it away like, get this out of here, I don't want to watch this video. Now look, 80% of people showed engagement on this video, and then the remaining 20, what about those people? They are the ones who swiped away from this video. If you want your shorts to perform really well in the shorts feed, then this should be around 90%. Yes, it should be around 90%. And your engagement, meaning you get to see this graph that shows your video's retention. So for videos with very high retention, like for me, my videos go more into YouTube search and browse features, so I keep my short videos a little over 1 minute in duration. If your videos are going into the shorts feed, then you need to optimize your durations. Should you make your video 30 to 35 seconds long and aim for people to watch 90% of it? If you make it 30 seconds, people should watch up to 27 or 28 seconds. And if they watch it again, that would be even better. So friends, these were the things we will check in the YouTube Studio app. Now let me tell you, what settings can you adjust in the YouTube Studio app? First of all, you need to check whether your YouTube channel is running properly or not. So you have to click on your channel icon. As soon as you click on your channel icon, you'll see a lot of options here. You'll find many options here, and YouTube has added an option called Account Status. As soon as you click on Account Status, it will show you about channel violations. If you have any of these two issues, neither of them should be present on your YouTube channel. If it says null here, it means everything is fine and there are no problems. After that, you'll see something written about ability to earn. This tells you whether you can become a part of the YouTube Partner Program or not. So if your YouTube channel is not monetized in either of these two aspects, you won't see these two things here. You'll only see the ability to earn section, and there you'll see a green check mark. If that's showing up, then that's really great. After that, let me tell you what settings you can adjust in this section. Now, as soon as I clicked on the settings option here, let's see what all things are available. Look, there's the notifications. This app will send you notifications, but that's not really important. We'll click on ODS here, and since my video is not for kids, I'll select no here. If you make videos for young children, you can select yes here. Keep one thing in mind. Whenever you select yes here, your video won't play in a minimized window in the background, meaning the background play feature won't work. Also, the comment section on your video will be disabled if you've selected yes here. Here, I've selected no. After that, what is our country? Our beloved India. If you want to create a USA-based channel, you still need to keep country of residence as India here. Next, let's talk about permissions. If you want to give rights to your YouTube channel to someone else, you can simply click on invite here, enter their email ID, and share the rights with them. Then comes creator demographics. If you're new to YouTube and haven't completed this survey yet, scroll down and take this survey here. You need to fill in all the details in it. These are basic questions. You can fill in all those details. After that, you need to enable all three of these options for your YouTube channel. Clips should be turned on, hype should be turned on, and censor auto captions should also be turned on. If your YouTube channel is completely new, you should select the auto option here. Choose auto publish recommended and then scroll down and save it. After that, we come to content controls. We can control our content here. Comments should be enabled on our videos. For live chat moderation, we have set it to none. After that, regarding our community, who can post in it? Any of our subscribers can go to our community and post there. They must have been subscribed for at least 1 day. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe to the channel right now. Next are blocked words and blocked links. On your YouTube channel, anyone who can't post spam links. So you should also keep this option turned on. After that, you have the currency option. For example, here we have selected the currency as India, but if you want to set it to US dollars, you can do that too. The tax product will appear automatically when your YouTube channel gets monetized. Then there's appearance. These are all the settings you need to configure for your YouTube channel. Now suppose you use the Chrome browser. Let me tell you about a setting you should apply. When you open YouTube Studio in your Chrome browser, you'll see a settings option at the bottom. On that settings option, and here you will see an option called Upload Defaults. In upload defaults, what you need to do is go to advanced settings. After going to advanced settings, though you can't see the whole thing here, next to your standard YouTube license, you will see that science and technology is selected here. You should select your category correctly here. If you don't understand which category to choose, just comment and ask which category you should pick for your video. If you make cooking or how-to videos, then how-to and style is usually the best. If you upload short videos and your channel is brand new, then the default category you get is people and blogs, so you should start uploading your YouTube shorts in this category. Now the method I've explained to you, this is the method you need to follow to use the YouTube Studio app, and if you use your YouTube Studio app in this way, you will become a professional on YouTube. You will see that very soon, subscribers will start coming to your YouTube channel. You just need to stick to this method, because checking subscribers is not the right way to use the YouTube Studio app. Friends, if you've watched the video up to this point, please like the video. See you in the next video. Until then, Jai Bharat.